If you have disposed of your electronic waste correctly, for example, you have deposited it in a sales business or collection point, it will be taken from there to a specialized recycling company based in Switzerland. In terms of quantity, that is quite a lot. In Switzerland, no less than 1.2 million tons of electrical or electronic appliances have been collected by SENS eRecycling over the past 31 years and delivered to recycling companies. But what happens now? Electronic waste consists of a wide range of components. Many of them are valuable and can be reused. Others, however, are harmful, and it is precisely this problem that the recycling company must address first. Pre-sorting is the process of separating the components that need to be manually freed from hazardous substances from those that can be directly sent on to mechanical processing. The first step is the manual disassembly of components and materials containing hazardous substances. These can be capacitors, some of which contain polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, which are highly polluting and toxic. All cables are also removed by hand. Made almost exclusively of copper, they are processed separately. This ensures that the machines used in the further recycling process do not become clogged. But not all hazardous substances are removed by hand. There are also those that are removed mechanically. In the case of refrigerators, for example, special systems working with negative pressure are used to extract any CFCs that may be contained in the refrigerant. Next, the electrical or electronic appliances are shredded and gently crushed in the process. Other hazardous substances, such as batteries, can thus fall out undamaged. And what happens with the recyclable materials? Watch the next episode to find out. Stay tuned!